This video will show you how to replace a light switch. Remember, before working on any electrical circuit, be sure to disconnect the power at the main circuit breaker panel. First, we remove the wall plate by unscrewing the two screws. Then, unscrew the two screws holding the switch onto the junction box. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all three wires connected to the outlet switch. Then, making sure you match up the wires with the appropriate terminals on the new switch, screw the wires back into your new switch. Reattach the switch to the wall. Then put the faceplate back on with both screws. Test the new switch to make sure it works, and you're done.